Hi YouTube artist, I'm Kelly Hernig and welcome to In the Studio. Today we're going to paint another holiday element of our Artful Advent. Are you ready? Let's go paint. Welcome to the Artful Advent Day 19. Today it's all about the poinsettia. And I actually found a poinsettia called the painted poinsettia, which is pink, white, and red. And I thought that would be a fun one to add. So let's get started. I'm going to be using the shell pink for my initial wash, but while it's wet, I'm going to be dripping in some of the red as well. Now, I don't want you to think about pattern or anything like that. When I start dripping in the colors, I'm going to pull lines. So I'm just going to pull lines straight down and kind of curve them. You'll see as I go. If you don't have pink, water down your red, add a little white to it. It's wet, I'm going to splash. I've got red on my brush now. Go around your berries carefully. We can always white them out if we need to. I'm going to take a little bit of the red off of these little guys because they're on the top. Then I'm going to splash again. While that's still wet, I'm going to try to clean up my splashes here. Got a little exuberant again. I'm going to come in with my white snap brush and flatten the edge here. Just go right along the edge and then blot with a paper towel. Be careful that you don't ruin your paper, so don't keep going around the same area. Let it dry a little bit. While I have it turned this way, I'm going to take a little bit of my olive green. So that's a little more yellow green, and I'm going to do the little berries here, the center of the holly. Then I'm going to drop some water into them. I'm going to use some stronger red now. And I'm just going to pick a couple of the leaves. Like this one here is on top. I think that would look nice, really kind of dark. And now I'm going to think about the way the vein lines grow. Wetting my brush, just softening the line here. Try not to make them as even as I did, so I'm just going to add another line right here. While it's wet, come in and add some water drops. with a little bit of that red and a couple of the bigger little berries here. I want to add just a little red area. This has been dried, and now I'm going to add the white with my Posca. If you were inspired by the painted poinsettia today, please like, comment, or subscribe. It will help my channel grow and I'd really appreciate it. Thanks for watching.